Greetings everyone! We are Team PalapaA2 and we are honored to be selected as the region finalists in this amazing competition. We are here to present to you the prototype of our project, Satu Jalan. Our member consists of Diajeng Karima Sadida and Rania Danella Centauri.
One of the biggest contributors to global warming is carbon dioxide, which makes up about 65% of greenhouse gases.
In Jakarta, transportation generates the largest amount of greenhouse gas emissions. The larger the distance and the higher fuel consumption vehicles take, the higher the emissions will be.
So riding public transportation would produce fewer emissions than driving personal cars or motorcycles. But the reason why people refuse to use public transportation, especially in Indonesia, is because it is inconvenient and confusing.
Satu Jalan helps make commuting easier and clearer by giving you a clear view of what transportation to use that are fast, cheap, and creates the least amount of emissions.
Satu Jalan also encourages users to ride public transportation by giving out points, which can then be used to get rewards.
And here's a quick demo of our project, Satu Jalan.
After the opening screen, users will be directed to the timeline section, or our home page. Here on the top, users can see their account and level status.
Users get different levels depending on how many points they have. Each level gives users access to different rewards. There are many ways users can receive points, which we'll explain later.
Below that, users can see notifications which they receive every time they earn points or badges, which we'll elaborate on later.
Down here is the timeline where users can post comments, stories, or any content regarding public transportation or the environment.
Users can also share these posts or export them to their social media platforms.
And finally, we provide resources about climate preservation and public transportation for users to learn about and share.
Next, we go to the map section, where users can type in where they want to go and it generates the routes and transportation they need to use, choosing routes that are faster, cheaper, or produce the least amount of emissions.
It gives you a step-by-step guide on how to get to where you want to go.
We also provide information about the nearest stations and the list of stops on each lane.
After users know where they want to go, they can directly pay by scanning the QR code available on the public transportation or using our own generated QR code if a scanner is available.
Users can top up their balance through these paying methods that are available here in Indonesia.
Now we go to the points section. Here it shows users the amount of points they receive and their levels.
One of the ways users can receive points is by consistently riding public transportation for a period of time. Users then will receive badges according to the amount of time they used that particular mode of transportation.
Another way users can receive points is by completing challenges. There are many types of challenges, like exploring interesting destinations to posting pictures of them using public transportation.
There are also stickers that users can use in their stories to boost up their points. We hope Satu Jalan can help ease the use of public transportation and encourage users to ride public transportation for a better future.